Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today
You're welcome.
I came with a new video, new topic, which is self-portrait. And yeah, of course, so I came up with some aesthetic pictures which I clicked by myself with this phone only. And yeah, I edited in the Lightroom application. So instead of blabbering this much, let's begin the photo shoot.
Alright.
So I will get ready, so wait for some time.
2,000 years later.
So I got ready and let's click the pictures without getting late. So I came outside and I didn't do any that much makeup and all because I wanted to look natural, and I sat with some curtains, and in between that I just put one chair, and I'm gonna use that flower plant pot as a prop. And if you have something other things, then you can use that too. So yeah, let's see the pictures now. For the next photo shoot, I'm going to use my bed, and again I set with some white curtains only for the background. So here I'm going to use this paper to click my pictures. You can use any colorful paper, and you just need to tear in between that and just stick on over the camera so that it will give you that blurry effects. And I used flowers as a prop, and I just stick some other tiny flowers on over the camera so that it will give me again one blurry kind of flower effects. So yeah, let's see the pictures, then you will get to know. And yeah, you can pose with your hands like you were comfortable with it. So yeah, you know much better where you were comfortable or not. I don't know you guys have noticed or not, on Pinterest those pictures are gives you more soft vibes and more greenish. Yeah, I have created these pictures using this Android phone, and please guys don't judge me by like I'm doing this. I'm not that much professional, and I don't think like I'm that much of capable to click that much of good pictures. But yeah, I tried well, but from my side 100%. So I will come up with so many new ideas of self-portraits. So keep watching my videos, and please do subscribe to my channel.
Whatever. Please
Do like and share, and so till then, bye.